everyone, Lucia back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a jewelry jar. This one is from Goodwill and it's been a while since I opened one. And so I have this one today. I've been really busy. This was $50 and yeah, it's been really busy here in my world, and yeah, I lost my mother-in-law. She passed away last week, and I've been really busy helping her, and yeah, she is gone now, in a better place. Yeah, so today is the therapy day. So I went and I bought a jar, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go through this one. Okay, let's do this for now, right? I think we should be in, oh, I love this one though. I don't see anything. It might be sterling. I need to check test this one, but this is very nice, right? Yeah, a ring. And I have another one. This one is definitely sterling, a tiny one, a turtle, and turquoise inlay. Okay. Then this was on the, I think this is a Stella and Dot, but there is something. This is so tangled in this, in the dangles over there. Let's see if we can take this one. Oh my word! This looks like vermeil sterling, so gold over sterling, and I think it is. Yeah, it's a very pretty one. Okay, and I'll show you this one now. This is a very nice one, statement piece, kind of like a bib necklace, right? Bunch of pearls, a silver tone, this one. And then we have a really nice vintage one, glass bead, black and white, a very classic combination. And then I have the bangle here, and I was looking, so inside is the enamel is blue, but on the outside they didn't put the enamel. See, they let it's very interesting, right? They let the gold. That's very nice. And this is a costume one, not a bangle. It's a pretty one, and this one is marked 925. I don't know about that one though. Okay. I do love the design on the chain. So testing. And then we have another little bib necklace, and here I have a little brooch. I think this is an Avon brooch, an apple, and like bow pearls here. And then this one, the nice, very lightweight, artisan made, probably one of those made in India, I'm thinking. Okay, bracelet. And another, oh, okay, a bunch of bracelets in here. This one is, it has Era, nickel silver, and something inside over there. Okay. This is one of those stretchy ones. I've seen this before with I think this is enamel. It's not turquoise. It's made to look like turquoise, but it's not. These are two stretchy bracelets here. I love the yellow ones though. Okay, glass. And then this is also handmade, I believe, with a sterling clasp and crystals. The pretty colors, very pretty colors. And then we have two brooches in here. There is something on that one. Where is my loop? Here. Loop, loop, coral, and this one. Okay. This I love. It's a double ring and butterflies. Beautiful. Nothing is missing on this one. Okay. Oh, and this needs a bit of a cleaning though. I think she had some marker sites. It's marked 9 to 5, the cross. And I need to clean this one. Sure if I'm missing marker sites or what. And this one is a star, a pendant maybe, or it was a earring, I'm not sure. And then we have another cross here, 9 to 5, with stones, multi-stones. Okay. These are beads over there. Now this is very pretty, though I like it. You have like the opalite beads. It was $7.99, $8 at the Goodwill. And they're really nice. Drop over there. Earrings, earrings. And then I have a red glass here. And I love it. Kind of matches my nails. Okay, so let me set those ones aside now, and then let's get back to them. Oh, there's another one here. Okay, and more beads. Alright. Oops. This one is a very nice a brass. We have here mother of pearl in the background and letter K here. It's a brooch, no name on that one. And this is another brooch. This is no name. I thought there is something, but it's nothing. Okay. Oh, and another one. Wait a minute, this one has something though. This one is a Monet. The heart. Okay. It's some sort of a sunflowers, right? It's a magnetic one. And this is a puzzle charm. Let's see what's this one. Something. There is some symbol in the back. So 9 to 5, I believe. And then this one too. Oh, this is broken over there. Delft. Yeah. This is a watch. No, wait a minute. Earrings. So yeah, this is another one. This one has all of the stuff on it. This one, no. Okay. And I've seen this one, right? Oh, I love them. I love them. They look like the Sorelli. I'm not sure if, I don't think they are. They're not marked anyhow. But they do look very pretty. I love the colors and the design. Okay? Very pretty. An antique gold tone finish. Okay, so let's look. This is a pendant here, and this one is a brooch, dried flowers and resin. Back on the top. This is some sort of a box. It's a bit worn. Let me washed. The finish is washed. And this one is Estée Lauder, so probably it was like, oh, it doesn't smell. Maybe powder or something. What was it? Okay. This is heavy, like really heavy. Oh, and long too. Wait a minute. Okie dokie. Right, okay. So let me show you. This one is with glass beads, like faceted black beads, and also the clear ones in between. It's a very long one and a very interesting, kind of like a hexagon clasp, probably sterling. So yeah, it's long. See how long it is? Okay, like an Art Deco one. And then we have, oh, these are pearls and also sterling clasp. And then another one. Wait a minute. This one is on a memory wire. I'll show you this one first, and then this one. Right. We have the alpaca one. Okay. This one is a cool gold tone. And this lucite charms. Look like fruit slices or something like that. It's a fun one though. I like it. Okay. What else? These are, oh, probably West Germany looking glass clip-ons. Oh, they've seen better days though. And then I have a butterfly here, another brooch, and this one is a okay charm or pendant, a very sparkly. This is like really sparkly shoe, and then the butterfly here. Enamel, very soft, earthy, calming colors on that one. This one is a boat, right? Sailing boat, and the apple here. These two are really tangled. I think this is an Avon, yes. So I will show you this and this. So just costume, yeah. Okay. This one broke, and that's okay. You can use it. Okay, but we have another one, another lovely one, necklace, also vintage, lovely clasp, and nothing is missing on this one. It's a Y necklace, right, like this. Okay, and then I wanted to look at this. So this was a watch. It was a watch, and somebody was creative, so they added a kind of like this wheat snake chain on it, and they made it into a pendant, and also this one is glued over there in the back. It's very creative. This is like an idea for you guys. For you. Okay. Then I think that's also handmade, I believe. So this, I forgot how fun it is to open a jar. I forgot. Okay. Alrighty. These are amethyst chips on a chain, so beaded chain necklace. Now we have, this one has 4 pearls and also purple. rhinestones. And I love this one though. It's so pretty. I love the color on the beads and the design too. See, do we have anything on this one? No, I don't have it. Nope, nothing on that one. This is a charm. What is this though? Wait a minute. Oh, there's another one. Also with rhinestones. A vintage one. A gold tone. And then this is an elephant necklace. Texture finish on this one. And then a pair of earrings. I do love them. Balls. And these are trifari. The earrings. The clip-ons. Okay, and then these are all the beads. These are glass beads, the green ones. So I'm gonna use them and make some earrings or something. And then let's see, this was a necklace, but it is broken. It was like with 2 tassels or something like that, I'm not sure. So I will put this one in the crafting lot. I'm working on a crafting lot. And now these are tangled here, my word. I have like what, 3 or 4, and I am not in a mood for untangling today. My heart and my brain is not ready to spend time here untangling. I mean, yeah. So I will put it for a different, this will go into a pile for a different day. When I'm ready, but not today. So yeah, it's gonna go over there, and these are gonna go over there in the crafting pile also. And let's see. Right. Oh, I do love this one. This is a nice one, right? And then my butterflies. This is beautiful. This one too. These 2 bracelets and brooches. Yeah, a bunch of nice bracelets in this one. Oh, a bunch of silver too. And these ones. So very pretty. Let's see on this side. Oh yeah, this is nice too. So we have, it was like maybe an estate sale or something, it looks like it was. Yeah, and this one. I think these 2 are my favorite on this. So I have and a butterfly. Yes. I forgot the closer is called. My word. Yeah, my brain is not quite ready. But these 2 are my favorites, right? You guys let me know which one from this jar, which one was, oh, and the heart. The heart. Okay. The glass one. And oh, and the turtle, the little one, and this one too, the silver. So it was a great jar. It was worth it for my therapy. Cheaper than the therapy, right? And I thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please let me know which one was your favorite, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.